Configuring DigitalOcean Managed PostgreSQL is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To start, you need to create a DigitalOcean account and set up a new project. Once you have created your project, navigate to the Databases section and click on Create a Database. Choose PostgreSQL as your database engine and select the desired cluster size and configuration. You can choose from a variety of plans, including Basic, Standard, and Advanced, each with varying levels of storage, RAM, and vCPU. After selecting your configuration, choose a data center region and click on Create a Database Cluster. DigitalOcean will then provision your new PostgreSQL cluster. This process may take a few minutes to complete. Once your cluster is created, you can configure the database by clicking on the Actions drop-down and selecting Connect to Database. You will then be prompted to create a new database and user. Enter a name for your database and a username and password for the database user. Be sure to use a strong password and store it securely. After creating your database and user, you can connect to your PostgreSQL cluster using a tool like PSQL or a GUI client like pgadmin. To connect, you will need the hostname, port, database name, username, and password for your cluster. You can find this information in the DigitalOcean control panel under the database settings. Best practices for configuring DigitalOcean Managed PostgreSQL include regularly backing up your database, monitoring performance, and updating your PostgreSQL version as needed. Additionally, be sure to use a secure connection to your database, such as SSL/TLS, and limit access to your database to only those who need it. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure a secure and scalable PostgreSQL database on DigitalOcean. This will provide a reliable foundation for your application and help you to focus on development and growth.